10th of December, and it snowed in London, quite unexpectedly. Nobody believed it would snow. Look at that. That is, well, it's actually my footprints. Pristine snow, about 4 inches thick. I hope it doesn't snow anymore because we like snow, but actually snow brings everything to a standstill. So this is the situation of the garden. No rose bush, no tomatoes, no flowers, nothing. But snow is good. It kills all the little critters. Let's have a go. Go around the back. Okay. Oh, look at that. My like. Oh, funny thing, in the alleyway, snow didn't fall. I wonder why. Must be a scientific reason. Here we are. So I'm not going to step in the snow because the kids will come out to play with the snow. Washing line, beans, whatever there was, climbing rose bush, everything covered in snow. Shed covered in snow. That chair cover, rocking chair cover, covered in snow. Everything covered in snow. Anyway, that's my cherry tree, covered in snow. So that's London, 10th of December. Everything's covered in snow. I put those branches there, so there's a local fox there that likes to poop on my thing. So I put a few branches there, so the foxes and things don't poop in the garden, but the snow will not push them down. Anyway, that's my little apple tree, everything covered in snow. So that's it. That's a vlog. No more gardening now.